Hello everyone, good morning to all. In last lecture we have discussed coupling reaction, particularly a Suzuki coupling reaction. Okay, in today's lecture we have to discuss next coupling reaction. Name of that coupling reaction is Buchwald-Hartwig coupling reaction. This one is also a palladium catalyzed coupling reaction. This one is also a palladium catalyzed coupling reaction. Means palladium is used as catalyst in this reaction, and some features in up to last lecture we have discussed coupling reaction in which carbon-carbon bond will be formed in that coupling reaction. Means in Suzuki coupling there is a carbon-carbon bond formation, Stille, Hague or Sonogashira, such a type of coupling. In that carbon-carbon bond will be get formed. But in this Buchwald-Hartwig coupling reaction, there is no doubt this one is also a palladium catalyzed coupling reaction, but here we will get or we form a carbon nitrogen or carbon oxygen bond. Carbon nitrogen and carbon oxygen bond. If we consider definition part of this Buchwald-Hartwig coupling, if we consider this part, this one is the direct palladium catalyzed coupling or the palladium catalyzed carbon nitrogen and carbon oxygen bond formation between, means here if we consider palladium catalyzed carbon nitrogen or carbon oxygen bond formation between first aryl halides and amines, and second aryl halides and alcohols. aryl halides and alcohols means ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला कार्बन नायट्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्म करायचा त्यावेळेस काय रिएक्टिंग और कपलिंग पार्टनर काय असतील aryl halides and amines. Amines may be primary or secondary type. Imides also there. Amides are also part of this reaction, and sulfamides, sulfoxymes are also there. And for second carbon oxygen bond formation, coupling partners are aryl halides and alcohols. Aryl halides and alcohols are the coupling partner for carbon oxygen bond formation. Okay, means by using stoichiometric amount of base, means some base are involved or used in this reaction. This one is definition: palladium catalyzed carbon nitrogen or carbon oxygen bond formation between aryl halides and amines. Carbon nitrogen bond म्हणले काय, coupling partner aryl halide and amine, and carbon oxygen bond formation means aryl halides and alcohols. These are the coupling partner for carbon oxygen bond formation. Okay, if we consider general reaction for both carbon oxygen and carbon nitrogen, first we discuss general reaction for carbon nitrogen bond formation. This one is Y, then amine, here palladium catalyst, and we get here halogen is there. This one is our aryl halide and this one is amine, that will be coupled together and form product like this. And here Y group remains as it is. and some base are also involved in this reaction. This general reaction for carbon nitrogen bond formation. Next one, carbon oxygen bond formation. Same, first coupling partner is same, that is aryl halide, and second one is, but here alcohol is there. Here we use alcohol first treated with base, and then that will be involved in this reaction, and we get a product like this. Means here bond will be formed, here Y group is there. This carbon oxygen bond will be formed. Here this carbon nitrogen bond will be formed. कार्बन नायट्रोजन साठी जर जनरल रिएक्शन पाहिली, कार्बन नायट्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन साठी aryl halides coupled with amine in presence of palladium, we get couple product, and carbon oxygen if we consider aryl halide coupled with alcohol in presence of palladium catalyst, we get a couple product like this. Okay, this one is general reaction. If these R groups are maybe aryl or alkyl or acyl, if this R is acyl, at that time that compound will be amide. Okay, this R group may be aryl or alkyl, means if aryl group is there, some phenol derivative is there. If there is a alkyl, then alcohol, methanol, ethanol, such a type of derivatives are there. So this X is as like previous, iodine, bromine, chlorine, triplet, such a type of X are present here, and Y are also some substrate, maybe aryl, maybe alkyl group is there. Okay, this one is our general reaction related to Buchwald-Hartwig coupling reaction. Now next part is catalytic cycle for this Buchwald-Hartwig coupling reaction. Next one is catalytic cycle. If you consider catalytic cycle for this Buchwald-Hartwig coupling reaction, this catalytic cycle goes through 4 steps. First one is oxidative addition, second one is metathesis, third one is transmetallation, and last one is reductive elimination. All these 4 steps we discussed in previous lecture also, that will be discussed again here. First, palladium with some ligand shows oxidative addition with, here particularly we use aryl halide or ARX. This one is aryl halide, condition will be like this, AR halogen, and here some ligands are there. This one is oxidative addition step. This one is oxidative addition. Palladium shows oxidative addition on aryl halides. After that, metathesis will be takes place. Means this halogen from palladium goes to this metal, and this OR group from metal goes on palladium. This one is our metathesis step. Then in next step there is transmetallation. Transmetallation step is there. Here we use 2 R groups in our general reaction for carbon nitrogen bond formation. One R group migrate from nitrogen to this palladium, and this OR group from palladium to nitrogen migrates palladium to nitrogen. Means connectivity will be like this. sorry, here no need to migration of this alkyl group. Directly this nitrogen, this migrate or form bond with palladium, this OR will be eliminated, OR X will be here eliminate, and we get connectivity like this nitrogen with 2 R groups, and here AR group is there, means aromatic, and here some ligands are there. And in last step, that is reductive elimination. Last step is reductive elimination. In that we get our couple product. Okay, here we get our couple product. This one is R group here. Okay, after reductive elimination, again palladium in zero oxidation state or second oxidation state. This one is a catalytic cycle for Buchwald-Hartwig coupling. First step is oxidative addition. Palladium shows oxidative addition to aryl halide in aryl halide. After that, metathesis will be takes place. Alkoxy group from metal transferred to palladium, and halogen from palladium is transferred on metal. After that, there is transmetallation is there. This alkoxy group depart with halogen, and this nitrogen forms bond with palladium, and last step is reductive elimination. In that, this aryl group forms bond with nitrogen and eliminate, and palladium in again original state we are getting here. Okay, this one is overall catalytic cycle for Buchwald-Hartwig coupling reaction. In that, here change is that for carbon oxygen bond, here we use NaOR, this OR group from alcohol transferred, and this alkoxy group will be eliminate here, and this OR will be shift here, and here we get OR group. या नायट्रोजनच्या जागी तुम्हाला जो कार्बन नायट्रोजन बॉन्डच्या जागी कार्बन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड तयार झालेला दिसेल. याचं मेकॅनिझम तुम्ही स्वतः लिहायचे आणि मला सेंड करायचं. हा परत सांगतोय, याचं जे कार्बन हे कॅटॅलिटिक सायकल कशासाठी, कार्बन नायट्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशनसाठी. तुम्ही स्वतः कार्बन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशनसाठी कॅटॅलिटिक सायकल लिहायची, ती मला सेंड करायची. ओके, देन next part, examples related to this Buchwald-Hartwig coupling. Examples. First one, here bromine, iodine. In this coupling reaction, most reactive halogens are iodine. So here iodine will be participate in this reaction. Means here this one is our aryl halide, this one is our amine derivative. This cesium carbonate as a base, palladium DBA twice as a catalyst, and here product will be like this. This bromine remains as it is, and this iodine iodine get eliminated, and nitrogen form bond with this carbon, and here new connectivity will be like this, and here another groups, that is N3, and OR group remains as it is. Okay, means here this bond will be get newly formed. Next example, ArNH2 plus this chlorobenzene is the PD DPPF twice as a catalyst, and NaOTBU. These are base with some solvent. Product will be like this. Means here this carbon-carbon bond will be getting formed. Okay, this one is example related to our Buchwald-Hartwig coupling. And next reaction, in next lecture we start our next point or next topic, multi-component reaction. In that we have to discuss first Biginelli reaction, second Wooge, then Passeri, and then Mannich reaction. These four reactions we have to discuss in that topic, that is multi-component reaction. That will be we discuss in next lecture. Thank you.